Hi. Welcome to Class 13. Building your portfolio. Becoming a copywriter who clients trust starts with showing proof of your skills, your portfolio. What is a copywriting portfolio? A copywriting portfolio is a collection of your best copywriting samples that demonstrates your ability to persuade, engage, and convert readers into customers. What it includes: website copy, sales pages, ads, email sequences, blog posts, case studies, and social media campaigns. Formats: digital, portfolio websites, Notion pages, PDFs, or printed, less common today. Why do you need a portfolio? Proof of competence: clients want to see examples before hiring you. Credibility builder: a professional portfolio shows that you take copywriting seriously. Niche authority: if you specialize, e.g., health, tech, finance, your portfolio positions you as an expert. Better rates: with strong samples, you can justify charging premium prices. Think of your portfolio as your shop window. Clients window shop before stepping inside. How to create a copywriting portfolio, step by step. Step 1. Start with spec work, if you're new. What is spec work? Spec work is sample copy you create for imaginary or well-known brands, without being hired. Why it works: shows your creativity and style, even if you don't have paying clients yet. How to do it: pick a real brand you admire. Create an ad, landing page, or email sequence for them. Label it clearly as spec work. Example: write a mock email funnel for Nike's new running shoe. Step 2. Use real projects if you have clients. Select 3 to 5 of your best client projects. Get permission from the client to showcase the work. Highlight results where possible. Increased email open rates from 15% to 34%. Helped clients generate $12,000 in sales from a new landing page. Step 3. Format case studies properly. Each sample should tell a story, not just show text. Case study structure. Client/brand background, who they are. The challenge: what problem they needed to solve. The copy solution: what you wrote and why. The results: any measurable outcomes. Even if results aren't available, explain why you structured the copy the way you did, shows strategy. Step 4. Choose a portfolio platform. Free options. Notion: clean, customizable, easy to share. Google Sites: quick to set up. Canva: design professional-looking PDF portfolios. Professional options. WordPress or Squarespace: build a personal website. Behance or Dribbble: great for creatives and writers. Tip: use a custom domain, e.g., yournamewrites.com, to appear professional. Step 5. Organize and polish. Homepage: who you are, what you offer. Work samples, with case studies/spec work. About page: your story and expertise. Contact page: email form, social links, or calendar booking. Keep it simple, visual, and client-focused. Avoid overwhelming with too much text. What to include in your portfolio. Homepage copy sample. Sales page. Email sequence. Ad campaign: FB, Google, LinkedIn. Social media content. Blog or SEO article. Case studies with results. Better to have 5 amazing samples than 15 average ones. Common mistakes to avoid. Overloading your portfolio with too much content. Using unedited first drafts instead of polished samples. Forgetting mobile-friendly formatting. Showing work without context, just copy-pasted text. Skipping contact info. Tools for creating a copywriting portfolio. Canva: design PDF portfolio samples. Notion: build a free, clean, interactive portfolio. Google Analytics: track who visits your portfolio site. Grammarly/Hemingway app: polish your copy. Unsplash/Pexels: free stock images to enhance visual appeal. Template: copywriting portfolio outline. Your name, copywriter. Homepage. Hero tagline, example, words that sell, stories that stick. Short intro plus CTA, book a call/hire me. Work samples section. Project 1, spec or client project with screenshot plus context. Project 2, email sequence with open rate boost. Project 3, add copy with A/B testing result. About me. Short story of your copywriting journey. Why you love writing persuasive copy. Niche specialization, if any. Contact page. Email address. Calendar booking link. Social links. Assignment. Task, build the first draft of your copywriting portfolio. Choose 3 samples, spec work or reel. Write at least 1 case study explaining your process. Format your portfolio in Notion, Canva, or Google Sites. Submit the link/PDF for peer or mentor feedback. Key takeaway. Your portfolio is more than a gallery, it's your sales tool. Clients hire based on proof, so make your portfolio polished, persuasive, and professional. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.